TurboBean usage demonstration. Do not let children use this product. Before use, check the impeller and surrounding areas for debris. The air intake is strong, keep long hair away. Connect to a PD100W power bank. After hearing 2 beeps, the self-check is complete. TurboBean has successfully powered on. TurboBean starts at mode 1 by default. Press again and hear 2 beeps to switch to mode B. Press and hold for 4 seconds to activate constant speed mode. Aim directly at the Packraft's deflation valve to start inflating. With low resistance at the deflation valve, it can fill the Packraft chamber at maximum speed. Wait until the TurboBean automatically stops. At this point, you need to quickly screw on the Packraft's inflation valve. The Packraft chamber pressure will be approximately 1.5 psi. Now you can use the air intake to top off the pressure inside the Packraft. Each time you run the TurboBean until it automatically stops, it can add approximately 0.1 psi. It is normal for the TurboBean to heat up during this process. If the TurboBean feels too hot, you can let it run idle to cool down quickly. Easy inflation, quick enjoyment on the water.